overweight luggage.
Hi, here's my suitcase.
Hello, please put it on the scale.
Okay. Oh no, it's 55 pounds.
The limit is 50. You're 5 pounds over.
5? Oh man, that's a lot.
Yes, sir. You can pay or you can take some things out.
I'd rather take some out. I don't want to pay.
All right, please open it here.
Oh man, this is embarrassing. Everyone's looking at me.
Don't worry, it happens all the time.
Okay, I'll put some clothes in my backpack.
The backpack counts as carry-on.
Perfect. I'll put some shirts inside.
Good. What about the shoes?
I'll put them in the backpack too.
All right, let's weigh it again.
Yes, please.
Now it's 52 pounds.
Still 2 pounds over?
Yes, still 2.
Then I'll take out this jacket.
For a good idea, just wear it.
Now the bag is 49 pounds.
Perfect. You're all set.
Oh, what a relief.
Do you want your boarding pass?
Yes, thank you.
Here you go. Gate 12.
Great. Do I have time to get a coffee?
Yes, boarding starts in 30 minutes.
Perfect. I'll go relax a bit.
I wish you a good flight.
Thanks a lot for your help.
You're welcome, sir. Safe travels.
Bottle at security.
Good morning, sir. Can you put your bag here, please?
Sure. Here's my bag.
Thank you. Please walk through the scanner.
Okay. Is it fine?
One moment. I see something in the bag.
Really? What is it?
It's a water bottle.
Oh, shoot. I forgot to take it out.
No problem. Do you want to drink it or throw it away?
I can drink it. I'm a little thirsty.
Perfect. Go ahead.
Okay. I'll drink fast.
All of it? Wow.
Well, it was only half a bottle.
All right. No problem now.
Thanks for letting me know. I almost forgot.
No worries. It happens every day.
A lot of people forget water?
Yes, a lot, especially travelers.
Oh yeah, I'm traveling too.
Where are you coming from?
From Chicago. First time in New York.
Welcome. How's it going so far?
Great. I love the food and the people.
Awesome. I'm glad to hear that.
And you? Do people drink a lot of water here?
Yes, especially in summer.
I get it. Today is hot.
Exactly. That's why people bring bottles.
And then they forget them.
Yep, and we find them.
Now I learned my lesson.
Good. Are you ready for your flight?
Yes, I am now.
Then have a good trip, sir.
Thanks a lot. Very kind.
You're welcome. Enjoy your flight.
Lost passport.
Good morning. Your passport and boarding pass, please.
1 second. I can't find my passport.
Don't panic. Take your time.
It's not in my backpack.
Check carefully. Sometimes it's in a small pocket.
No, this is a mess.
Don't worry, you still have time.
Maybe in my suitcase.
Can you close it again easily?
Yes, but nothing.
Check your wallet, too.
Not there. Unbelievable.
Breathe. It happens a lot.
But I can't fly without my passport.
That's right. So let's keep looking.
Can I sit and search?
Of course. Sit right here.
Thanks. Oh man, I'm so nervous.
What about your pants pocket?
No, not there either.
And the jacket you're wearing?
Wait, 1 second.
You found it?
Yes, in the jacket pocket.
Perfect. Happy ending.
So embarrassing. I thought I lost it.
No problem. It happens every day.
Really?
Yes, many passengers forget pockets.
I feel better now.
Great. Here's your boarding pass.
Thank you for your patience.
You're welcome, sir. Have a good flight.
Thanks a lot. Very kind.
Safe travels. Enjoy your trip.
At the gate.
Good morning, ma'am. Your boarding pass and passport, please.
Here they are.
Thank you.
Has boarding already started?
Yes, boarding is open now.
Oh, wow. I'm really thirsty. Can I run and grab a coffee?
If you leave for 15 minutes, the plane will go without you.
Ha ha ha. I see. The gate closes that fast?
Yes, it closes in 20 minutes.
So no time?
Maybe 5 minutes, but it's risky.
What a hard choice.
There are coffee machines right next to us.
Really? I didn't see them.
Yes, just behind those seats.
Great. I can buy there and come back quick.
Sure, but don't go far.
Is the machine coffee good?
Well, it's fast, not perfect.
Haha, better than nothing.
Exactly. Many passengers get it.
Okay, I'll go grab one now.
But don't get lost. Boarding goes on.
No, I'll be back in 2 minutes.
All right, I'll wait for you here.
Thanks, you're very kind.
You're welcome, ma'am.
Here I am again with coffee.
Very fast. Good job.
Now I can travel happy.
With energy and no thirst.
Is the flight on time?
Yes, everything is on time.
Phew, what a relief.
Ready to board the plane?
Yes, ready and coffee in hand.
Then have a good flight.
Thanks a lot for your help.
Thank you, ma'am. Safe travels.
The arm rest battle.
Hi. Good afternoon.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Pretty tight seat, right?
Yes, kind of small.
Oops, this armrest. Is it yours?
I'm not sure. I thought it was mine.
Looks like it's for both of us.
Then we have a problem.
Yes, there's only one armrest.
Look, I put my elbow first.
Yes, but I want to lean too.
We can share it.
Share? How? Half and half?
Yes, each gets a little space.
Let's try. Ouch! We bumped.
Yes, our elbows are fighting.
It's like an elbow war.
A quiet elbow war.
Better to lift our elbows.
Yes, and put them on our legs.
Feels more comfy, actually.
Yes, and no more arguments.
Do you fly often?
No, almost never. And you?
Me neither. Not much.
Then it's all new.
Yes, and a little funny.
Especially with one armrest.
Exactly. There should be two.
Totally agree.
Well, at least we have peace.
Yes, peace without elbows.
Thanks for your patience.
Thanks to you, very kind.
Have a good flight.
Thank you, you too.
Suitcase in the cabin.
Ooh, my suitcase doesn't fit.
Need help, sir?
Yes, I think so. The bin is too full.
Try turning the suitcase on the side.
Let's see. I push, but it won't go.
Don't worry, that happens a lot.
I thought it would be easy to put it up.
Yes, but sometimes you need the right angle.
Okay, I try again. Nothing.
No problem. I can help you.
Thanks. I feel a little clumsy.
Not at all. It's normal. Everyone fights with bags.
So I'm not the only one.
Exactly. It's the airplane sport.
A sport with no medal.
The medal is sitting down and relaxing.
That's a prize I like.
All right, lift with me here.
Okay, I lift.
Perfect. Now it slides in easy.
Yes, finally, it's inside.
See? Not impossible.
Thanks a lot. I couldn't do it alone.
That's why I'm here, sir.
You have so much patience.
Thank you. I like to help.
Now I can travel with no stress.
Yes, and more room for your legs.
Yes, now I can rest.
So, you're ready for the flight?
Exactly. Ready and happy.
I wish you a good trip.
Thanks a lot for everything.
You're welcome. Have a good flight.
Seat change.
Hi, excuse me.
Yes, can I help you?
Could I change seats?
Change? Why?
I'd like to sit by the window.
But that's my seat.
I know, but I like to look outside.
I like the window too.
I'll give you my aisle seat.
The aisle is less comfy.
But there's more room for legs.
Still, no view.
It would be just a small swap.
Are you sure?
Yes, I really want to see outside.
Well, okay. I'll say yes.
Thank you so much. Very kind.
You're welcome, but I lose the window.
Now I can see the sky.
What do you see?
Oh, only clouds.
I told you.
Nothing else out there.
Right, just white.
At least it looks nice.
Yes, like cotton.
I feel a little silly.
No, not at all. It's normal.
Do you want your seat back?
No, I'm fine here.
Thanks for your patience.
Thanks to you for asking politely.
Now we travel in peace.
Yes, no fight at all.
I wish you a good flight.
Thanks. Same to you.
Meal problem.
Good evening. What meals do you have today?
We have chicken or fish, sir.
Perfect. I'll take the chicken, please.
All right, I'll bring it right away.
Thanks. I'm hungry.
Here's your tray.
Here, sorry, that's fish.
Yes, sir, I'm sorry.
But I asked for chicken.
The chicken is already gone in the front rows.
Really? None left?
No, only fish remains.
What bad luck.
I know, it happens sometimes.
To be honest, I don't like fish much.
Would you like more bread or salad?
Yes, a little salad would be nice.
Here you go, some extra for you.
Thanks. At least that helps.
You're welcome, sir.
Is chicken always gone so fast?
Yes, almost always.
Then next time I'll order early.
Exactly, good idea.
Well, I'll try the fish.
I hope you like it.
It tastes okay,
I'm glad you gave it a try.
but chicken is better, I'm sure.
Yes, it's the favorite.
Now I see why it's always gone.
Right, the chicken flies first.
Thanks for explaining.
Thank you for your patience.
Good luck with your work.
And you have a good flight.
Restless child.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, how can I help?
Your son is kicking my seat.
Oh, yes, I'm sorry.
It's a little uncomfortable.
He's just playing. He doesn't mean to bother you.
I understand, but it's not easy to sit like this.
Of course, I'll talk to him.
Thank you so much.
Do you want to switch seats with him?
What? Me with your son?
Yes, then he won't kick your seat anymore.
That would be funny.
Don't worry, I'll explain to him.
All right, thank you.
Sweetie, please stop kicking.
Do you think he understands?
Yes, but it's hard for him to sit still.
That's normal. Kids get bored fast.
Exactly. He loses patience quickly.
Maybe he wants to walk a little.
Later, we'll take a short walk.
Good idea. Then he'll get tired.
Yes, and he'll rest better.
Now he seems calmer.
Perfect. Thanks for your patience.
No problem.
Do you travel a lot by plane?
No, almost never. And you?
With kids, pretty often.
Oh yeah, that's like a sport.
Yes, but also fun sometimes.
The important thing is to arrive safe.
Right, and with a smile.
Thanks for understanding.
Thanks to you for speaking kindly.
Have a good flight.
You too. Safe travels.
Clapping after landing.
Yay, good job!
Why are you clapping?
Because we landed safe.
That's their job, not a miracle or anything.
Yes, but they did it really well.
I think it's just normal.
The pilots deserve some clapping.
Do you clap for the bus driver too?
No, that's different.
For me, it's the same, just transport.
A plane is more dangerous.
These days, it's very safe.
Maybe, but I feel thankful.
I just feel tired, not happy.
I feel alive.
Don't exaggerate, sir.
I'm not. I really mean it.
Well, everyone has an opinion.
Exactly. And I want to say thanks.
And I prefer silence.
Does clapping bother you?
A little, yes.
Sorry then. I don't want to annoy you.
It's fine. It just surprised me.
One day, maybe you'll clap too.
I don't think so.
Haha, you never know.
Well, I respect your opinion.
And I respect your joy.
So we travel in peace.
Yes, better peace than fight.
Right. The flight ended well.
Thanks for hearing my side.
Thanks for respecting mine.
Have a good day.
Thanks. Safe travels to you too.